What's up guys, Clay with EKNIVES. I have here the Socom Elite from Microtech Knives. This is the 2019 lineup. I just got some colors in. I'll start with this first one. This is the orange. I just got this in a couple of days ago, and this is the automatic version, push button automatic, but it's coming in manual as well. The autos have grip tape on the back for a little bit better grip because it fires pretty hard. So the smooth, as you'll see in a minute, does not have this on the back. But for the automatic, you're going to have that on the back side. This push button automatic, this is Tonto Edge. These are coming in 204p. Everything now is coming in 204p. So there is the orange automatic. Here is black on black. And then this is the red model that just came out as well. It's kind of a magenta red. So I've got those three automatics. This is a OD green automatic as well. It's got the apocalyptic Tonto Edge. And then I've got manuals here. This is the tan liner lock. See, no grip tape on the back. Dual thumb stud on the manuals. This is a satin finish, and this is Tonto as well. And then I have these. This is the Signature Series DLC with bronze hardware and accents, and it's got the logo on the blade right there. So that's the, this comes in a Tonto Edge as well. This is the clip point model. So these are the Socom Elites, manual and automatic from Microtech Knives. I've got a bunch of options in stock, and they range from they're in the 350 range, just depending on which model. So the high 200s, the low 300s, mid 300s. So just call me if you have any questions. Call or text 423-525 9477, and you can email me at clayton@eknives.com. We've got rewards points as well, loyalty points at EKNIVES now. If you sign up for an account, you get 200 points, and then after that, every purchase, one point for every dollar spent, and you can start getting some discounts on your purchases. So if you have any other questions, holler at me. Thanks guys.